Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to unbox the new Sony Linkbuds, and these are made in recycled materials, and the boxing is also all non-plastic. It even says no plastic in packaging, and it's a fairly small box, as you can see, and all it has is on the bottom a sticker which you can rip off or just open however you can. Seems to be pretty hard to open. Then once we remove the sticker, we can remove the little, there we go, one, and now we go to the bottom, open this, and there we go, remove the whole shell, nothing else in there. We can remove the sticker, and it says Linkbuds. If you can't see that, it's probably due to the lighting, but it says Linkbuds there, and it's just a very simple cardboard box. It has a little nice feel to it. It has like a little boxy feeling, and inside we have the buds themselves. Let's pull them out like that, but let's just pull out everything that could be inside this box, because I'm sure there's other stuff in the box, which is what we want to see in the unboxing. Nothing in there, just a very nice box, which I'll probably keep. Then we have this, which is where the case was. We have some manual quick starter guide. We have the little different tips to XS, S, M, which are installed, L and XL, and all of this is in here. So let's try to unpack everything as fast as possible. We have a cable, and there's nothing else in here. So here we seem to have the little tips that basically hold it in your ears, and then we have this cardboard thing that does nothing. A USB-A to USB-C cable, which I would love to start seeing C to C, because all my computers and chargers are C nowadays, but I keep a break for USB-A just in case. But I could also charge it with a normal cable that I already own. So it has the cable. Then we have a little bit of instructions and stuff. There's nothing here. We have 360, some paperwork, some warranty. We have some stickers that even tells you how to remove the stickers, and probably has some manuals in there. Like I said, these are the little tips that are in here. As you can see, we can pull a few. These are the silicone tips that basically will change depending on the size of your ear for best fitting. So let's leave those on the side. And here we have the charging case. Again, got a peel. That snapped just right off. We can break it, and this we can throw aside. And it comes in this special material that's recycled. It has like little speckles of other plastic. So it's like dark gray. I wouldn't say black. This cable is black. As you can see, this is gray. And these are the black ones, which I guess are not black, but gray. And you have this button, and you can open them there. These are supposed to be black. I guess their technical name is probably like charcoal or something like it. But these are the earbuds, the Linkbuds basically, which are magnetically attached, and as you can see here, putting them back in the case is like that. So basically that is the unboxing. This is a charging case, has a USB-C on the back, and probably a syncing button here. When you press the button, they open, or you have to open them, and it even has space, as you can see here, for the different bunny ear rubber. So depending on the size you're using for your ear, they'll sit in the case properly. But the case is fairly small, as you can see here. It's not very, very big. But yeah, these are the Sony Linkbuds. This is all the stuff that came in with them. No charging brick, obviously, because that's not a trend anymore. But we have all these extra little ear pieces, and then the case, the charging case, the earbuds, and the cable. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.